Let's talk about minimalism. If you love our structural layouts but find that you never use the blank notebook in the back, the core planner is designed specifically for you. We stripped away all the extra pages and focused entirely on the raw essentials. A beautiful, streamlined, lightweight planner that has nothing extra, only what's core to planning. But here's the real star of the show, the paper. This features our premium 83 GSM Cosmo Air paper. It's thicker than Tomo River paper, but it still has the same buttery soft texture that fountain pens and watercolor absolutely love. Because this is for the minimalist, you get only 23 blank grid pages in the back, keeping the book super light and slim. And for 2027, we have expanded this lineup from just 2 sizes to 5: B5, A5, N1, B6, and Pocket. Every size will be available in both our Pebbly Onyx and Smooth Fairy Floss PU leather covers. You still get all the core planning layouts you expect: goal breakdown, yearly tracker, quarterly spreads, monthly calendars, and vertical or horizontal weekly layouts for this year. You are just getting them in a thinner book that fits where you need it. If you're torn between Tomo River paper and Cosmo Air paper, click on the video in the description where I perform a complete side-by-side ink and watercolor test. Also, if you want more planner previews, click the other link below in the description.